So first, we're going to talk about docking. When you dock, you need to make sure that your laptop is already on and open before you dock. You will push in, and it should automatically project. If you are seeing wiggly lines, then you might need to get your Tech Pro to help you with the resolution on your laptop. If it does not automatically come up, you can manually switch by clicking the gears button.
A pop-up screen will allow you to manually switch to HDMI 2.
Once you are projecting, you can use the Clear Touch to control your laptop. Remember that when you are docked, you will still need to sign in to Lightspeed. It is lsaccess.me/logout. The page looks like this. Every time you dock, every time you undock, every time you plug into a charger, every time you unplug, every time you leave a school or come back to the school, every time you go onto a different Wi-Fi and come back onto ours, you will need to sign back into Lightspeed again. I switched schools, and so I log in and out of Lightspeed multiple times a day. This will just allow things to keep working quickly. If it looks like your internet is down, the first thing you'll want to do is make sure that you are signed into Lightspeed correctly. When you are docked, the sound will come out of the speakers in your ceiling, not the front of the Clear Touch. So this is the first part, is the docking station, and this is merely a projection of what you have on your screen here. And if you want to use your wireless keyboard, then you're welcome to take the USB and plug it into the back of the docking station. This will allow you to be mobile. You can move around the room, and you can use this keyboard to control your laptop, which is projecting on your Clear Touch. So that's the first part of this scenario.